1967 Ford Ranchero here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's powered by a 289 V8 3-speed manual transmission. Power steering. Let's take a look at the chrome on the front bumper. Headlight surrounds, grille, bright work. Has had a repaint. Paint does have a nice shine to it. Look at the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, bed. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Right-hand Firestone radials, Ford wheel covers. I'm going to take a look down this passenger side. Now, I do want to mention, we've had this vehicle running and driving on our frontage road parking lot, have inspected it. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road quick. But before you were to take this out for a long trip or put a bunch of miles on it, it is going to need some attention. And I'll get into that in just a bit. So black vinyl bent seat. There's your 3-speed on the floor, aftermarket stereo system under the dash. That is working. Vinyl snap-on tonneau cover. As you get a look down the passenger side from the rear to the front. Now, I do want to show you some rust down here, the lower portion of that passenger rear. So take a look at the underside pics. We have a bunch of close-ups underneath there so you can get a good idea of the condition of the bottom of this car. Some of the notes from the technician: fuel gauge is in op. Driver's side headlamp in op, as we take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Wipers were in op. The seat is loose. Could use a remounting, get it in there a little more sturdy, solid. Belts will need to be replaced before many miles are put on it. Idler arm loose, and it will also need sway bar bushings. All right, previous body work. Showing on the driver's rear of this car. Let's go ahead and take a look from the rear to the front. So it's one of those we're pricing accordingly. It does run and drive. Needs to be taken to the next level. And that's why we're announcing these things on this 67 Ford Ranchero. It's a good idea how the driver's side looks. Side exiting exhaust in front of that rear wheel. Brakes are 80% in the front, 70% in the rear. Tech did note it does shake some when braking. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. I'm going to start it up, let you hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. Like I said, Jason's still going to take it for a drive, kind of show you how it goes down the road, take it for a virtual ride, if you will. Looks like the carpeting has been replaced. Vinyl seat once again, headliner. Visors in place. Let's fire it up. In 289 power. Aftermarket tack working. Top of the dash looks good. Nice sounding V8. Let's get a look underneath this hood, see how that engine bay looks. I'm going to pause this a second. Get this hood open. We'll check it out. All right, hood popped. Check out the underside of that first. And these driving lights, I guess if you will, that are in the grill there. Switch is underneath the dash for those, and that does work. Aluminum radiator. Again, power steering. HEI ignition. Edelbrock 4-barrel. Not too bad a looking engine bay here. Running smooth too. '67 Ford Ranchero. Stick around. Jason's going to take it for a drive, kind of show you how it goes down the road. Otherwise, call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1967 Ford Ranchero. This would be the car with a bed. Nice tonneau cover on that bed. Now our steering wheel is tilted to the left. That doesn't affect performance at all. The horn works. We have a ProTac tachometer mounted to the column. Now when I do push the brakes, the car pulls to the right. This is a 3-speed manual on the floor. Our fuel gauge is reading just about empty. The blower motor does work on this car. Nice vinyl on the bench seat. Good sound to this car. If I let go of the wheel, it's staying straight. Not that many Rancheros out there, and especially not 1967s. Looks like newer carpet. Be sure to check out all the pictures of this 1967 Ford Ranchero at uniqueclassiccars.com.